Alright, so today I'm swapping out the rear diff fluid in the 2006 Toyota Sequoia. Open this one up first just to make sure that I can refill it once I open this one, because if you can't then you're hosed. But yeah, let's crack this one open. These are 24mm bolts and we'll see what comes out. I don't know if this has ever been done before. This truck has 163,000 on it. Alright, so that's good. Make sure you wipe off your drain plug. There was quite a bit of metal in this one. As you can see there. Oops. Got some chunks there. So, we'll see. So now we'll refill the diff. Grab yourself one of these pumps when you're at the auto parts store. It makes it super easy to fill. Just gonna stick it in your bottle. Sound effects not included. Stick it in there. And then you just start pumping. You pump until it's full. There we go. So as you can see, it's dripping out now, and that's where we need to be. So there we go, now it's full. Get that tightened up here. For those of you wondering, this is mallet finger for my Death Valley trip. Yep, that was fun. And there it is, all done. Alright, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. We're going to Alabama Hills tomorrow, so that video is coming out soon.